Have you ever watched a video in English or maybe in another language and thought to yourself that it would be so much better if you could instantly translate it into your own language without paying hundreds of dollars to professional voice actors, voice artists or editor? Imagine if you could do it in just one click without wasting money, time or effort. Well, today I am going to show you something truly amazing that will completely change the way you think about the video content. I am talking about the platform called Acool, and with it you can take any video in any language and transform it into multiple different language instead. The best part is that you do not need to hire a multiple voice actor, you do not need advanced video editing software, and you do not need to spend hours working on the process. With just one click, Acool can do all of this for you, and it does it with such a precision that it feels like magic. To start with, you only need a browser and internet connection. Open your browser, it's Chrome, Safari or anything else, and type acool.com in the search bar and hit enter. The first result you see in the official website. Do not get confused by other links. Just click on the very first website that appears. Once you click, you will be taken straight to the Acool homepage. This is where the journey begins. When you land on the homepage, the very first thing you will notice is the option to sign up. This is your entry point. Click on the sign up button, and here you will be given a choice. You can sign up with your Google account, your Discord account or email address. It is designed to be simple so that you do not waste time. Personally, I prefer using my Google account because it's fast and convenient. If you have multiple Google accounts, Acool will show you all of them. Just select the one you want, click continue, and within a second you will be signed in. You are now officially inside the Acool dashboard. Once you are inside, you will notice a clean and modern interface filled with the multiple tools and features. Acool is not just a video translation tool, it has many other AI-based options like text-to-speech, AI art generation, and more. But in this video, we are focusing only on the feature that matter most for creators who want to expand their reach, and that is video translation. This is where the real magic happens. With this feature, you can take a single video and turn it into a multiple variants in different languages. No subtitle, no robotic voices, no cheap tricks, actual natural sounding translation with clone voices that feel professional and authentic. So let's begin the process step by step. On the dashboard menu, select video translations. Once you click it, you will see the multiple way to add your video. You can upload a file directly from your computer, or you can paste the link to your video if it is already online. The choice is yours. For this demonstrations, I will choose one of the demo videos that Acool provides. This way, you can see the process live without me needing to upload anything. I select the demo video, and as it being to play, I can clearly hear the original language is English.
It's still your own writing, but it looks smoother, straighter, and more legible. SmartScript further accelerates your writing flow by making handwriting just as flexible as typed text.
Now here comes the most exciting part. I want this video, which is currently in English, to be available in Dutch, French, German, Greek or any other language. Traditionally, to make this happen, you would need to hire a translator, a scriptwriter, a voice actor for each language, and then an editor to put it all together. The entire process would take days, if not weeks, and cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But here, the Acool, I can do all of that in just one click. On the right side of the screen, I see the option to translate the video. First, I choose the source language. Since this video is in English, I will leave in an auto detect and Acool will automatically recognize it. Next, I select the target language. I will choose Dutch. Before hitting the translation button, I need to show you one of the most powerful features of Acool, and that is voice clone. Normally, when you translate a video, the new voice often sounds robotic and does not match the original speaker. But Acool always allow you to clone the original voice. This means that when the video is translated into Dutch, it will still sound like the original person is speaking, but in Dutch. Think about how powerful this is. Your audience does not feel like they are listening to some random AI voice. They feel like the creator actually made the video in their language. This adds authenticity and professionalism that no other tool can easily provide. So I select voice clone, and now I am ready. I click on translation, and within a just few seconds, Acool completes the process. The English video has now been transformed into Dutch.
Het is nog steeds jouw eigen schrijven, maar het is vloeiender en leesbaarder. SmartScript.
I hit play, and the voice I hear is Dutch, but it still sounds like the same person from the original video. It's flawless. The timing matches, the voice matches, and overall effect is unbelievable. At this moment, you realize how game-changing this tool really is. But why stop at one language? Let it think further. I go back to the demo video, and this time instead of choosing only Dutch, I select multiple languages: Dutch, French, German, and Greek. With just one click, a cool being working within a minute, the video is translated into all 4 languages. Now I can download each one individually, and when I play them, I hear the same clone voice.
Nous devons mettre nos données dans un format utilisable. Χρειαζόμαστε να μετατρέψουμε τα δεδομένα μας σε μια χρήσιμη μορφή. Wir müssen unsere Daten in ein verwendbares Format bringen. Here kommen data frames ins Spiel. Vielleicht erinnerst du dich.
But in 4 completely different languages, it almost feels like the creator personally recorded the videos in all of these languages. This is something that would have been impossible, or at least incredibly expensive just a few years ago. The quality is another important thing to note. When I play this translated video, I notice that the lip sync and timing are very accurate. The translated voice does not feel out of place. It blends with the video perfectly. This is because Akul is not simply overlaying audio. It is intelligently scenic the translation with the visuals. The result is a smooth, natural looking videos that feel genuine. Now let's talk about the pricing. Many of you must be thinking this sound amazing, but how much does it cost? Here is the good news. Akul actually has a free plan. Yes, you heard that right. You can try out this feature without spending a single dollar. Of course, the free plan has some limitation, but it's enough to test the water and see if this tool works for your needs. If you are a serious creator, you can upgrade a monthly or yearly plan. The best thing is that Cool allow you to purchase credits according to your requirements, so you do not money on features you do not use. And here, something even better. If you use the link in the description, you will get a 30% discount. That's my special bonus for you, so don't miss out on it. Now, let's step back and think about why this is such a big deal in today's world. Content is global. Audience are not restricted to one country or one language. Millions of people around the world speak other languages and might never engage with your content simply because they do not understand it. But they're cool. That barrier disappears. You can take the same video and make it available in Dutch, French, German, Greek, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, or any other language you want. Suddenly your audience multiplies. You are not just reaching thousands, you are reaching millions. And the best part is you do not have to spend extra time or money to make it happen. Think about how powerful this is for content creator, businesses, educator, and even individual. A teacher can make a lesson in English and instantly translate into multiple languages for students across the world. A business can make a product demo and release it internationally without recording separate versions. A YouTuber can multiply their views and subscribers by making their videos accessible to global audience. All of this become possible with just one click. This is why I believe Cool is one of the most revolutionary tools out there right now. It makes video translation simple, fast, affordable, and professional. You no longer need to be restricted by language. You can reach the whole world. So go ahead, check the link in the description, sign up, and start experimenting today. With my Discord, you get 30% off, and with the free plan, you have nothing to do. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I will be sharing more amazing AI tool that will save your time, money, and effort. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.